Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set a status on Instagram. It's actually pretty cool. It looks similar to this. So just see here on my Instagram account, I just have working right above it, and it looks like a status. I'm going to show you guys how to set that up on your Instagram accounts. Now, all you have to do is go over to the App Store, and you want to download this app right here called Threads from Instagram. It's just an Instagram application called Threads, and you'll be able to log into your Instagram account into that application. You'll be able to do lots of custom things. So just go ahead and download that application, and you want to go ahead and install it. When it's installed, you want to click on it and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, it's going to ask you to pick some of your closest friends. So you can go ahead and choose those people. Once you've done that, you're going to come to this screen right here. And what you want to do in the very top left here is you see it says set status. So you want to go ahead and click on that. And then here you'd be able to either decide on one of these stock ones that is there, or you can go ahead and type whatever you want. So I can say right now, I am chilling. And then it's going to ask you to put an emoji. So if you just type on the emoji section to the left, it's going to tell you to add an emoji. So you can just go ahead to your emojis and just choose whatever emoji you want. So I can just put this right here. And then if you click on the check mark, it will then change your status to chilling or whatever you put it. And if you go ahead back over to your Instagram, you'll notice that it will update on your Instagram as well. So if I were to update this page, it's going to show us the new status, as we see right here. And now shows the new status. Very, very easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to make status updates on Instagram. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.